into my garden. It's a pretty big garden, it's a great day. And today I've got my own Ava, not quite Ava Max, but my own Ava helping me making my video. So what we're going to do, a hair tutorial with a bandana. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail. It's going to be quite high, a little bit messy, but don't worry, it's not going to stay like this. Don't panic. Okay, so what you do is you grab your bandana and you roll it together. You see, like this, and you make it, roll it. So you put it so it's nice and long. Then, up, and you do a knot. Simple, huh? I'm going to do a couple more to keep it nice and secure. So you're doing this, and then you've got these two long bits. That looks crazy. And then all you do is tuck it in. Are you ready for the big reveal? Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. You can mess it around a bit, so it looks really cool.
So yes, this is our first hair tutorial. And we're going to do look number 2 in just a minute.
Hi guys, that was look number 1. And if you liked that, I've got 2 more looks. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on your bell notifications. Okay, are we ready for look number 2? This is going to be a messy one because everyone was blowing up my DM saying that they want to know how I do my messy bun. I'm going to let you in on my secret. Okay, so what we do is slightly neater than the first time. I'm going to put it into a little bit of a messy bun. So like this, and it's super duper easy, huh? Really easy. Then I get my bandana, and then I'm going to just tie this in a knot. Simple. I'm gonna go for another one because I'm feeling kind of sassy. So I'm gonna do 2, and then what you do is you split your hair. Into a messy bun already. You split it into 2 like this, and then you just twist your hair and the ribbon around and around and around. Cool, so far? You got it? Cool. So then you're going to wrap it around, and then just simply tuck it in. And there we have, just take some bits out.
Messy bun with a bandana. Loving this look.
Guys, I'm back with look number 3. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair into a half up. So this is what I'm going to do. It's going to make it a little bit messy because you know what? Sometimes I think messy is
cool.
Looks a bit cooler. Then I'm going to just take some hair out here. Actually, do you know what? I've decided I'm going to have... I'm going to actually do it in a ponytail because for this look I think it'll look better. Right. The next bit, we're going to grab our ribbon. I say ribbon. It's
or bandana, whatever you want to call it. You can kind of use anything for this look. Depends what size head you have.
True. So true. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Oh, that's really nice.
And I'm ready.
Yeah.